In today's video, I'll teach you how to hide reels on Facebook. So first of all, open the Facebook application. You can see over here, Facebook has been opened. Tap on the three lines that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option, settings and privacy. Now after you do that, tap on the option settings that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to the settings and privacy interface. What you have to do is simply scroll down. Under the section for preferences, you'll be able to find this option for tab bar. What you have to do is tap on it. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the tab bar interface. Tap on this option, customize the bar that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to customize your navigation bar. You'll be able to find this section for available tabs over here. So what you have to do is find the option for Reels. After you do that, tap on the option Auto that is selected right next to it. Now what you have to do is tap on this option Hide that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you can see over here the Reels will be hidden. Now you'll no longer be able to see the Reels in the navigation bar. So that is how you hide Reels on Facebook. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.